day mga tao, nasa kahabaan tayo ngayon ng Quirino Avenue. Ito yung Nagtahan Interchange sa harapan natin. Ngayong araw ay mag-update tayo dito sa Quirino Avenue Interchange, saka dito sa Plaza Dilao. Tingnan natin yung mga pagbabago sa ginagawa nilang rampa. Alright, let's go. Alright, kanan tayo dito sa may Quirino Avenue Extension. Paikutan natin, tingnan natin yung mga pagbabago dito. Check na natin. So as of now, wala pa namang bakod dito. Yan, wala pa naman ginagawang bakod dito. So gagawin natin ay mag-U-turn tayo dito. Alright, so punta tayo dito sa may bandang Quirino Avenue. Itong ginagawa nilang interchange dito. Kanan tayo dito. Yeah. Ito yung Plaza Dilao Interchange. Ito yung exit. Diretso lang tayo. Tabi-tabi ito eh. Nagtahan, Plaza Dilao, tsaka Quirino Avenue. Yan. Tapos nila natin yung ginagawa nila doon sa may gilid, doon sa may exit northbound papuntang Pedro Hill. Mamaya pagbalik natin dito sa kabila, tingnan natin kung kumusta yung construction dyan or ginagawa nila. Yan, diretso tayo. Yan, oh, may mga net na at hinahanda na to para may tawid na yung mga girders dito sa may bahagi nito ng malapit sa Osmeña. Yan, kitang-kita nyo, nasolidong-solido itong ginagawa nila dito. Yun, yung sa may bandang entry ramp naman ginagawa nila ngayon. Pero pagkaalam ko, itong exit ang uunahin nila dahil nandun na yung mga pier heads dun sa unahan na. Hindi gaya nitong entry na medyo hindi pa gaanong gumagalaw. Yan, sa taas, oh. So mabilis tong ginagawa nila dahil nung last update natin ay wala pa dun, oh, dun sa unahan. Ngayon ay meron na siyang ginagawang mga pier heads dito. Yan, inaalay na nila para mabuhusan na. Wow. Yan, oh. Grabe, bilis. Tapos ito na yung susunod nila. Yan, oh, may mga scaffoldings na rin. Ito na yung sunod nilalagyan ng pier heads. Diretso tayo. Kumustahin natin yung mga columns dito sa unahan. Diretso lang tayo dito. Ikot tayo dun sa may unahan, malapit sa top. Tingnan natin. Dito may mga nabuhusan na rin columns dito. Ito yung drainage sa kanan. Ayan. So siguro dito lang tayo iikot or kakaliwa dito dahil wala pa naman dun masyadong construction dito. So ikot tayo dito, kaliwa tayo. Diretsuhin natin yung ginagawa nila doon sa may exit papuntang Pedro Hill. Ayan, diretso lang tayo. Grabe, ilang buwan na lang to ay matapos na tong bandang exit siguro. Yung exit ramp nya, yung galing sa Osmeña or galing south. Yan, oh, naglalagay na sila ng scaffoldings dito. Kasi ito na nilalagyan nila ng susunod na pier heads. Dun sa unahan ay nakaporma na. Wow. Yung pier heads naman ng pang entry rampa, yan ongoing na din. Yung pag-rebar nila sa taas para mabuhusan na. Wow, grabe, talagang walang tigil yung trabaho dito. Siguro 24/7 itong trabaho dito para matapos na. Dahil yung natitirang mga interchange na lang ng skyway ay dito na lang tsaka dun sa may Sergeant Rivera, saka dyan sa may Quirino Avenue Extension. Meron din yung mga interchange na putol pa, hindi pa natatapos. Yan. So diretso tayo, hindi tayo papunta sa may exit dyan sa may bandang Osmeña dahil hindi pa naman gumagalaw yan. Yan so dito tayo sa may ginagawa nila dito sa may Pedro Hill. Yan dito, ito ay inaayos na rin dito banda para mag-split yung daloy ng trapiko dito papuntang Pedro Hill at papuntang Quirino Avenue dito. Yan hindi pa solid na mga sementado dito pero inaayos na nila. Yan. Yan, hindi pa ganong solido, wala pang asfalto. Yan dito, yung sa right side ay yung papuntang Pedro Hill, tapos yung left side naman ay yung padiretso papunta dito sa may Quirino Avenue. Alright, so yun, hanggang dito lang muna tong vlog natin at see you on the next one. Peace!
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I just gotta get through, gotta get through. 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 I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through.